So as we move the baptismal font back here for the symbol of entry, we'll also widen these pews just a little bit so that we have an extra space back here to be able to gather around the baptismal font, especially when we have families that gather for baptism. The hope is also to have some repair done to our choir loft. The front fascia of our choir loft, the front railing is not up to code. And so we want to, again, provide a safe space for our choirs and for those that go up to sing. And so we will be addressing that as well as adding a statue of Our Lady of La Leche, who is the patroness of our diocese, the Diocese of St. Augustine. So our confessionals are original to the church. Our lights are broken, but they've also have shag carpet along the walls. We have cushions that need to be replaced. And we want to make sure that it's a place of prayer and a place where people encounter the mercy of the Lord. So our pews I don't know that they're the original pews, but they've been around for a long time, long before when I was a child here at Assumption. And the reality is they don't make pews like this anymore. They are beautiful, solid wood pews. But again, they've seen the wear of time, of people picking at the finish. But we will send these off to be totally refinished and repaired, along with new kneelers that are soft up and down. We will maintain the memorials that are already on the pews, and we want to maintain them and make sure that they stay beautiful and rich and a part of our community. So part of the reason why we're going to be removing the pews and refinishing them, as well as moving the baptismal font, is that our ceiling has been in great need of repair. They repaired the roof many years ago, about 10 years ago, but it's the ceiling that has started to bleed through, as well as our beautiful wood beams have been stained by mold. To be able to restore and renew this beautiful ceiling and make it something that's not such a distraction. These stained glass windows were installed in the 1980s, but we have windows like this that was broken, that in order to repair it, they glued it onto a piece of plexiglass and put it back in, but you can see all the glue behind it. It does not really offer us a beautiful, clear stained glass window. And so we want to update our stained glass windows with some beautiful stained glass windows that will match our upper stained glass windows, as well as provide protection on the exterior of them so that they won't get damaged again. One of the discernments that we had as we looked at the stained glass windows, what do we want to put in the stained glass windows? And so we bounced around a number of ideas with a group of us, and one of the things we settled on was the reality that in our upper windows, we do have the mysteries of the Rosary. And so our hope is to add the luminous mysteries on the lower part of the windows. And so, theologically and aesthetically, everything should jive together so that we do have a holistic vision of what the church believes, what we teach, and how we continue to proclaim the gospel in the world.